All right, geometry, here's your final video. This is just doing the 4 constructions that are in this packet. The first thing we want to do is we want to copy the following segment. So in order to copy a segment, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to start with a straight line. I don't care how long you make it longer than you need to. That is fine with me. Use your compass, however, putting the sharp end on one side, open it up so that it is the same length as the given segment. I'll start with one point on my line. I'll call it A. Take my compass that is open to that distance, put it on point A, make a mark that goes through my segment. Here is point B. So now AB is the same length as the given segment is. So it is the same length as the given segment. All right, the second one wants me to copy an angle. It's going to start out very similar. I'm going to start out with a given line and a point on that line. I'm going to put that point there at the end. First thing I want to do is I want to put an arc that goes through my angle. I'm going to transfer that same arc onto my line. And I'm going to use my compass to measure how open that arc is. So I compass up. There's how wide open that arc needs to be. So I will move this down to where the arc has intersected my line. And across those two. So I'm now going to connect those two dots. So when I connect those two dots, I'm going to switch to green. The angle has been copied. All right, and the last two constructions, number 3 says to construct a perpendicular bisector. So a perpendicular bisector, you just have to make sure that you're over halfway. Open this thing up more than halfway. So that's more than halfway. I'm going to make an arc. And then I'll jump my compass to the other side, go to the other end point and do the same thing. And put another arc through there. And then I just connect those two intersections. So I want to connect the two intersections like so. This blue line has now bisected the black segment, it's cut it in half, and it is at 90 degrees from that segment. And the last one wants me to construct an angle bisector, which means I'm going to start, and I'll put an arc that goes through the angle. I'm going to use the 2 points where that arc crosses the angle. Put my compass on that and open it up. I don't care how wide open it is at this point. You're going to make an arc that kind of goes into the middle of your angle. Go down to the second dot and do the same thing. Another arc. And now I need to connect the vertex to that little intersection right in the middle. So connect my vertex through that point, and I have now cut that angle in half. Those are the 4 constructions that you should know how to do going into the midterm. Guys, best of luck as you prepare for this midterm exam. It is multiple choice, so make sure that you are using some power guessing techniques to eliminate obvious wrong answers when appropriate. Best of luck, guys. See you next week.